guys, I got a new planner! I love planners! Are you as obsessed about planners as I am? I love them. There's something about having a new planner that makes me literally feel like I have it all together. Even if there's nothing in it, I love them. So anyway, I just wanted to take a second and tell you about my new planner, tell you a little bit about how I use planners and what I do to try to stay organized. So this is the planner. Isn't she a beaut? So pretty, and actually I've been so silly. I've had this thing for like a week and a half, and I refused to take the label off because I wanted to be able to tell you about it. But this is what it looks like. It is by Blue Sky. It's the tabbed planner. It goes from January to December, so I like that because it's within the year. I've had them where they started through the school year, but that throws me off. I'm trying to find a new planner in like May. It's a daily planner, and it even has some bonus months and some other things. So what I look for in a planner, and honestly, you need to do what works for you. If what works for me is not gonna work for you, do not try this. If you already know it's not gonna work for you, you don't need to go this route. The point is that you need to find something that will help you. What are you doing to help you stay on track? And I need a page a day. So this is February 5th. Like, I fill up the whole entire page. I love lists, but I need to keep all my lists in one place or in very few places. I do have a ton of journals, if you know me well, especially when I was in college or like walking around with all my stuff all day. I would have like 4 or 5 journals with me for different purposes. I just need to write it down. I need to write things down. It feels good. And I've heard it's good for your brain. But so that's what I've been doing. I've just been writing all my lists every morning when I wake up, or every day when I get home from work. I sit down and I take a look at my planner and I figure out, okay, what is it that I need to accomplish today? What is it that I have coming up? And then I just write down goals, like things I want to clean. I'm bad about cleaning if I don't have a list, so I'll say make bed, like, and I'll say all those things and then I'll cross them off, because that's also good for you. It feels good when you can cross something off your list, even if it's just something so basic like take a shower. I mean, I don't have brush my teeth and wash my face on there, but I have a lot of my daily activities written in my planner. So this is the planner that I have, but in years past, I've used all kinds of different planners. I wanted to show you some of the ways that I've kept myself organized. I remember when I was in college, I color-coded myself because I didn't want to lose my mind, had a lot going on, and so I kept everything color-coded. Here is an example. Yes, I save my planners, I'm weird like that, of what I did in college. I had the food I wanted to make. Man, I didn't even look at this before I made this video. The food I wanted to make for dinners. I must have just gotten married. Tacos on Monday. All my foods were blue and I had them across the top line. There's a cheat meal on Friday, May 6th. I can't believe I wrote this stuff in here. But you guys, all the things I crossed them out. I had just different categories of life, whether it was making internship video, things for fun. I had plans with friends, and then I had like classes, all the classes I was taking. I had homework in different colors. I would travel a lot with the group I was in. I had that stuff in a different color. I mean, it was serious to me, but it helped so much because if I didn't write it down, I would forget. Now let me tell you this. I have not always been good about writing in my planner. Probably every month for a week in the month, I just decide that I'm brilliant and I don't need a planner anymore, and so I just try to remember everything, and then the following week I literally have a breakdown. I lose my mind and I'm like, why am I not writing this stuff down? Because I'm trying to remember everything I need to do and I'm dropping too many balls. So then I start writing things down and I get organized again. But I tell you that to say, if you have these plans and you're trying to do things and then you find yourself not doing them, try again. It is better for you to try again than for you to just say, I'm bad at follow through. Like, just try again. Tools I like to use. These right here are my favorite. These are the Papermate Flare Medium. They're felt pens. I love these so much. But this year, my mom got me something that I also kind of equally love, and that would be friction colors. They're, I think this looks like Japanese writing by some Asian brand, but basically they're friction markers that are erasable. And the erasable feature is just so amazing. They're made by Pilot and they're so beautiful. Now she got this for me to go with a Rocket book. I had never heard of the Rocket book before, when she gave it to me, but she was like, Delise, I've been so excited since August. This was Christmas. I've been so excited since August to give this to you. I just know you're gonna love it. And honestly, I really do. Because I have a problem, or I had a huge problem, with carrying around all these notebooks because I felt like I needed to keep my life in different journals. It just kept me organized, but I didn't like to keep my notebooks. And honestly, I don't like to take my planner out of the house. I need it to stay in the house. It makes me feel frazzled when I have it out. Although, while I'm out, here comes Samson. While I'm out, I often need to write things down, and that's an issue for me. Introducing the Rocket book. This is the Everlast Rocket book, and basically what it is digital paper. So like when we were working on our kitchen, I sat down and I drew a 3rd grade diagram of my kitchen with all the measurements and all this kind of stuff. Okay, that's really nice. But the point is, what I was able to do with this notebook is take my phone, scan it into my phone, and have this digital paper in pristine condition. It's better than taking a picture of it with me all the time. And like, I could have scanned it into my phone and it would have sent it to somewhere, like to an app that I had or to Google Drive, just all this other stuff. So write it down. Get something that helps you organize your thoughts. I love that. I just want to show you a few other planners that I've had in the past. Here's an example of one that I had. Your planner needs to be pretty. If you are trying to be successful with ugly stuff, quit. Like, for real, just quit. You need a pretty planner. This was last year's planner, so I didn't color code as much, but like you can still see, I have a page a day. It's a little bit smaller. Gold, I used a gold paper clip in here to help me track which day I was on. Just whatever it takes to stay sane. This is one of my favorite ones that I've had in the past. It's a little one. This is 2010, 2011. I can't believe I still have this. It's almost 10 years old. But you can see I was like highlighting things, start my test. This was high school, I think. I want to say, yeah, Papermate made this one. Last one, guys. This one, if you know where I can find one like this, please comment below. In fact, what is the brand? I should look at the brands of my planners when I'm searching for a new one. Covadis? I don't know. Canadian, UK. Anyway, this one has these little tabs on the bottom so you could tear off the day. It was so satisfying. So you can see that I was really consistent with this planner until about July. And then I had something about making Evan a cake and different things like that. But again, a page a day. They can be formatted all different ways. That's why what I'm trying to show you, but I know what works for me. This was amazing too. Okay, in this planner, you have your morning hours charted out right here. But then underneath, I have all the space for making lists. And again, you can see I'm color coding myself. LU Praise is always red. Shout out to LU Praise. So what are you doing to stay organized? Did you get a new planner? Can you send me a picture of it? I am so excited to take this silly little label off of my planner. Yeah, I would just love to hear, am I the only one who does all these crazy things with their planners? I love watching these types of videos, so I thought I would make one for you really quickly. If you enjoyed this, please click the like button. Please subscribe for more videos like this and tell a friend, and I will see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.